Hello, my name is Vincent. I'm the head trainer of Titan Academy. And now I'm going to present to you our Titan Capital Market. Titan Capital Market is founded in Australia. We hold the two licenses. The first one is Australian Financial Services License and is regulated by ASIC of Australia. The second one is Money Services Business License and is regulated by FinTrack of Canada. But we're not just a financial group. We're also an educational financial group. And this is why we stand out from others. We're also recognized by the third party WikiFX. It is the largest global authoritative Forex broker query platform. It provides professional, safe, and reliable data services for over 38,000 brokers, more than 200 countries. We're also selected as a high-quality broker, and we have won the Best Innovative Forex Broker Award of 2022. So anyone can go to their website or download their apps just to check out for the open information. You can find the top 10, even top 100 brokers in the world on WikiFX. And of course, you can also find Titan. But why do we provide educational services? Is because we want all of our members to be able to reach their own financial freedom. And this is exactly what our CEO, Howard Yin, wants for all of our members. So we're not just giving away the fishing rod, we're also teaching our members what to do with their fish. It's just like what to do with their money. So how do we exactly do that? It's through our Titan Academy. A survey shows that 9 out of 10 lottery winners has lost all of their wealth within 10 years. So here is the place that we teach our members about the financial knowledge. It's not about how much money that you have. It's about the financial knowledge that will help you to keep your money in the future. And we also provide 2 sets of the trading tools. With these 2 sets of the trading tools, we can start making money immediately, while we are still learning the financial knowledge. Furthermore, we also provide the trading community. And here is the place that we can share our trade and the financial knowledge. When you bring people to our community, you can also earn rewards. So what kind of company that Titan is? We're the company that help you to regain control and reclaim your freedom in life. So let's talk about the positive cycle of Titan Wealth Community. Well, first, you become our member, deposit money in the trading wallet, and start following our trade. After that, you'll be making profit. And then you'll bring more people to our community. So this will help us to keep it in a positive cycle. And it is both healthy for Titan and our members. How do you join us? We have 2 subscription fees. If you are a $30 subscriber, you can join our 3-way arbitrage trading system and attend our basic course for the financial courses. The trading limit is $10 to $30. If you are a $100 subscriber, you can also join our professional copy trading team and attend our master course for the financial courses. The trading limits here will be $10 to $150. But when we are talking about investing, lots of people get hesitated. Why? Because they are afraid of losing their money. So Titan Capital Market we have put a lot of effort in protecting our members' money. How do we do that? We have worked with the third party WikiFX, and we have obtained this EPC program. It's called the Eye Protection Center program from WikiFX. So it is at the highest legal aid, and that means that it is protected by law, okay? And it provides a maximum of $3,000 compensation protection, both protecting on your profit and your capital. So our members are all feeling safe to join us. All right, now let's talk about why is it easy, safe, and profitable to join us. 5 main reasons. Number one, low entry barrier. Within $30 to $100, then you can start up this business. And for the high returns, the monthly return is up to 10 to 30%. Low risk. With our AI trading bots, it can lower down the risk in trading. Number four, short trading terms. The minimum trading term is 5 days, and it is short enough to ensure your flexibility of your capital use. Number five, the most important one, the capital assurance. Again, with this EPC program, it can protect both on your capital and profit. Now let's talk about the two sets of the trading tools. Number one is the Titan trading bot. Number two is our professional trading team. So the first one, the Titan trading bot, the strategy is called a three-way arbitrage trading strategy that it is using, and it has a high winning rate of 99.9%. So how do we exactly get to such a high winning rate? Is three main reasons. Number one, our transaction speed is less than 0.04 seconds. And with this speed, we have to enter three trades. So it's humanly impossible. That's why we have our AI to do that for us. Number two, we also have the assets to connect it to the back end of the top 20 major liquidity providers in the world. And this is how we get the best price in the world. Number three, we have the high quality of the international servers. And this is, so it can allow us to do so. Now, how do you join us in our trading robot? Well, anywhere around the world, you can only trade currencies from Monday to Friday. So the contract days will be 5 days, Monday to Friday. Expected return here will be 2.8 to 3.3% per 5 days per contract. So when the expected return has dropped down under below 2%, then, well, Titan Capital Markets will still guarantee you with 2% profits per contract. And usage fee will be 10%, which means that if you make $100 profit over the contract, then by the end of the week, you will receive $90. Here's the trading performance since the beginning of this year. Each green bar presents the trading performance per contract for each contract, and the average monthly return is about 12%. For professional trading teams, we got two teams here. Number one is WiseWinds. Number two is Firefox. For WiseWinds, this team is led by our head trader, Anthony Jefferson. Okay, the team member has an average of 12 years in trading experience, and the team has reached an annual profit that is over 100%. And this team is very good at hedging strategy. They have 3 sets of the hedging strategies. For the trading performance, the average monthly return is 17%. For Firefox, this team is led by our head trader, Emmanuel Peterson. The team member has an average of 20 years trading experience. And this team has reached an annual profit of over 130%. And they're very good at the grid strategies. The trading performance, the average monthly return is 25%. So how do you join WiseWinds? Is through contract again. The expected return here will be 8.2 to 8.8%. And the contract days is 15 days. We have 2 contract periods in the month. The first contract period is the 1st to the 15th of the month. And the second contract period will be from the 16th to the last day of the month. Guaranteed return, 7%. Management fee would be 5%. So imagine that when you join us with our copy tradings, you'll be making profit. After that, you can share your trade in the community. So excuse me. So when you bring people to our community, you can start winning, you can start earning the rewards. So let's talk about the 6 rewards that we have. From number 1 to number 4, is related to the subscription fee, and from number 5 to number 6 is related to the trading returns, which means that when you bring people to our community, you can win the rewards from their subscription fee and the trading returns. Number 1 is called the referral rewards. If you are a $30 subscriber, your referral rewards will be 10%. If you are a $100 subscriber, it will be 15%. And here is an example. A refers B, B refers C. A is a $30 subscriber, so which means that it will be 10% times B's $100. That would be $10 for A. And look at B. B is a $100 subscriber, so which means that it will be 15% times C's $100, and that will be $15 just for B. Number 2 is called the pairing rewards. For example, if you are Titan in the top circle here, and you got 2 departments, A and B, we would basically use the smaller size of the departments, total sales, and then times 12%, that will be your pairing rewards. For example, there are 5 people here, A to E. Look at A first. A is a $100 subscriber, and A has 2 departments, B and C. This department here, the total sales is $1,300, and C got $800 in total sales. So again, the smaller size, $800, and then times 12%, that would be $96 for A. However, B still got $500 left. So what can we do about it? Well, whenever C's got new sales again, then we can use that $500 on the next round of the pairing rewards. Okay, now let's take a look at B. B is a $30 subscriber. B also got 2 departments, D and E. Again, smaller size, that will be E's $600, and then times 12% equals $72. However, B is just a $30 subscriber, which means the daily rewards limits will also be $30. So B cannot get 72, he can only get $30 that day, unless that B upgraded himself to a $100 subscriber, then he can get $72. But of course, he needed to do that a day before. Number 3, development rewards. Imagine that you're Titan here down in the bottom with the darker green. And if you refer 1 partner, you will receive 10% of this rewards from the first level above you. And if you refer 3 partners, then you will receive 5% of this rewards from the second level above you. If you refer 5 partners, you will receive 5% more on the third level above you. For example, again, you're a Titan and you got 3 people on top of you. Each one of you got $500 total sales. So how much can you get for the development rewards? Well, we have to calculate on the 3 levels pairing rewards first. So that'll be $60 for each of them. Then we will use $60 and then times the corresponding percentage. Then you will get the first level $6, second level and third level both $3 each. Which means that if you refer 1 partner, you get $6. If you refer 3 partners, you get $9. If you refer 5 partners, you get $12. Now, number 4, the Titan Partners rewards. There are 5 rankings here. From the first is the junior partner and to the highest ranking, senior executive partner. Well, how do you become the junior partner? You have to reach an accumulated earning of $500, then your partner rewards will be 2%. And how do you reach a senior executive partner? You have to have an accumulated earning of $100,000, then your partner rewards will be 10%. So there are only 10% of this rewards in every one of your communities that you have. Okay, for example, here you can see this senior executive partner, that's you, and you got 3 communities under you. Let's just look at the middle communities that you have under it. Okay, it's 10% each. So in this community is also 10% of this rewards that 1, 2, 3 of you have to share the 10%. Look at the first one here, junior partner, he get 2%. Yes, for sure. And for executive partner, he's supposed to get 6% of this reward, but 2% has already given to the junior partner. So the executive partner can only receive 4%. And you're supposed to receive 10%, but 6% has already given to them. So you can only get 4%. And in total, that is still 10%. And here in this example, there are 5 different rankings of the partners, and they're all in the same community. What would happen to them? Well, each one of them will only receive 2% of this rewards. And in this example here, you can see that there are 2 senior partners in this community. So the lower level one can receive 4%, and the higher level senior partner gets nothing. But what can he do? Well, he can either upgrade himself to an executive partner, or he can open up new communities so he will not waste the 4% of this rewards. Now, number 5 is called the tier dividends. And starting from here is all related to the trading returns. And please look at the illustration on the left side. If the big guy here is you in the middle, and if you refer 5 people, which means that you will have 5 communities. Each community is referring to 5 more people. So you can see the smaller size demand, 25 of them. They're all your second tier. Okay, the middle sized of this 5 man here, they are your first tier, or we can call it first level. Okay. So move your eyes to the right here. You can see that if you are a $30 subscriber, you will receive 5% of this dividend from the first level to the third level, or we call the first tier to the third tier. And if you are a $100 subscriber, you will receive 5% from the first level to the 5th level. So for example, you're Titan and you're a $100 subscriber, you refer 5 people just as the illustration shows, and they're all under first tier, first level, and each one of them deposit $150. So in total, you got $750, and then we will use that money to calculate on their trading returns first, and then times the 5% of this dividend. So after the calculation, you will receive 75 cents. Right? But that is just only for the first tier. And if you add it all up, expanded it to all 5 tiers and add it all up with all the yellow numbers, then you will get a periodic dividends of $585 just over 5 days, because in this example here, they're all following the trading bot. And think about it, if they're all following on the bottom here, the professional trading teams, then you would periodic dividends will be $2,000 just over 15 days. In a month, then you will get more than $4,000. Okay, and that wasn't enough. I'm now gonna introduce you number 6, super leadership dividends, and this is where the big money is. Okay, we got 4 rankings here, from number 1 Hermes, then Athena, Poseidon, to the highest ranking Zeus. How do you reach the first level Hermes? First, you have to become a senior executive partner, and if there is one more senior executive partner in any one of your communities, okay, let's say you got 5 communities, you just need to have one in any one of your communities, then you become Hermes, and here you will receive 5% of this dividends out of all of your community trading returns. Okay, so this is why I said this is where the big money is. And number 2, Athena. If you have 2 different senior executive partners, then in two different communities under you, then you will become Athena, and you will receive 10% of this dividend. If you got 3 in 3 different communities, then 10% will become 15%. If you got 4 in 4 different communities, which is Zeus, and then you become 20, you will receive 20% on this dividends. So now, after you understand our business plan and all of our rewards, now let's talk about the copy trading process. It's quite easy, only 4 steps. First is you have to subscribe us, become our member. Then you deposit money into your trading wallet. All right. After that, you use that money in your trading wallets on the tradings, copy trades. All right, copy our trades, and then you will start making profit. Just as easy as that. And before you subscribe, before you become our members, let's talk about a few things that you needed to know first. Look at number 1, membership upgrades. Okay, when we needed to upgrade our membership, which means that there's only one instance that this would happen, is that you are a $30 subscriber, then you want to upgrade yourself to a $100 subscriber. Of course, you have to pay the extra $70. And here, the $70 extra dollars, that will only be calculated on your under referral rewards and partner rewards, not pairing rewards and development rewards. Okay. Number 2, daily rewards limits. Pairing rewards and the development rewards will have a daily limits based on your account subscription fee amount. So again, if you are a $30 subscriber, then your daily rewards limits is $30. If you're a $100 subscriber, then your limits will be $100. Now look at the last one here, withdrawal and admin fee. Okay, the day that you choose to withdraw, okay, and you will receive the money 3 days later. For example, let's say you made a withdrawal today on Friday, and after 3 days, that'll be after Sunday, after Saturday, after Sunday, and then Monday is the 3rd day. So which means that you will receive the money on Monday. And there's a 5% of the admin fees. So when you make withdrawal, let's say you make a withdrawal on $100, then you have to pay 5%. Okay. Now, after this, I would also like to share with you with our trading platforms right here. Okay. This is our trading platform. We got 3 accounts. One belongs to our trading bot. The other 2 belongs to our professional trading teams. And we have 2 teams. One is WiseWin. The other one is Firefox. And this account belongs to the trading bot. Okay, look at on the left side here. You can see that there are 4 sections here. They are all pairing rewards, but the first one, Forex, it means the major currency pairs that most people trade in the world. And this one, second one, is the secondary currency pairs that most people trade in the world. Next one is crosses, and here, as you can see, that there are no US dollars. That's why we call it crosses. And the last one here are the least currency pairs that most people trade. Okay. And okay, for example, if I clicked in on Euro US dollar currency pair, and this is what you can see. You can see the sale price and the buy price. You can see the price are moving, all right? Because this is a real-time trading, and you can also see the quotes down in the bottom here. As I mentioned earlier, we have the access to connected to the top major 20 liquidity providers. All right. So these are the quotes that they provided to us. And on the right side here, you can see the candlesticks chart. Green bars means the price goes up. Red bars means the price go down. But we are not professional traders. We can pay more attention to the green numbers here on the top because it is associated to the risk control on this very account here. Okay, let me explain. For the first one, balance, you can see that there's $114 million in this account. Okay, that's how much balance just means how much money we have in this account. Okay, now we got $114 million here, but Titan has first deposit $100 million, but now it's 114, which means that this account is making money. Next one is equity. As you can see, equity is now slightly larger than balance. Why? Because we are making profit. We got some open trades right now, and these open trades are not closed yet. It's got some unbalanced profit going on right here. So equity simply means balance plus the profit here. Okay, unbalanced profit. Okay, and then margin is next number. Margin simply means how much money that we have to deposit at our liquidity providers. When we open a trade, we have to deposit margin. Okay, so when we open more trades, we have to deposit more margin, but we don't want to overuse the margin because that would be a little unhealthy to this account. Next one is free margin. Okay, free margin simply means equity minus margin. That means how much money that we can still use on margin left. Okay. Next one is margin level. Okay, this margin level here is showing our traders how healthy this account is. So by the definition of an unhealthy level, that when margin level drop down under 100%, then we cannot make any more of the new open trades. Okay, we cannot make new open trades anymore. So that would be unhealthy. All right, but how do you get this number here? We use equity. Okay, equity divided by margin, and then times 100%. That equals to margin level. And we usually keep this number quite high. That'll be far away from dangerous or being danger, right? Oftenly we will see this number more than 10,000%, as now it's 40,000%. So they're all very far away from 100%. So it's very far away from being danger. Okay, and this is our risk control. So we will keep this accounts always safe. Always keep it safe. And down here in the bottom of this section here, you can see we got some open trades here, and next to it is the account history. So the differences between that is open trades means just they're unbalanced, they're unclosed. Okay, we're buying something, but we haven't sold it yet. And for the account history are the orders that we have already closed. Okay, so look at the trade first. You can see on the right side the profit here. You can see the number changing as we haven't closed those trades yet. And look at the account history. Okay, you can see more numbers. Actually, you can see like first one, just the number of the orders. Second one is the open time, like when we open this trade. And then that, like for example, the top one here is a sale order on 166 lots, and the symbol was Euro Canadian dollars, and this is the price that we start selling. And on the right side here is the time we close the trade and the time and the price that we closed. And next one is commission, which simply just means that how much money that we have to pay for our liquidity providers. Doesn't matter is a winning trade or a losing trade, we all have to pay. Next one here is profit. If you look at this section here, you can see that some trades are winning, some trades are losing. But if you scroll it down, you can see most of the time we are making winning trades for most of the time. Okay, and here you can see this period, it shows the last week, but actually it shows for this week. That's it. That is a failure on the translations. So here you can see September 7th, as today is September 7th. And if you look at this week here, you can see the first day, Monday, that would be September 5th. If I scroll all the way down here, you can see the very first trade here is from September 5th. So for this week, just over 3 days, Monday to Wednesday today, this account has already made a $1.7 million profit. Okay, and we also made a $12 million deposit. Okay, and it's right here on Sunday. Okay, and this money, $12.7 million, actually belong to our members who want to follow our trades on Trading Robot. Okay, So again, if you look at the balance here, the first $100 million belongs to Titan, and then the new deposit this week, $12.7 million, that belongs to our members, and the rest, right? And the rest belongs to the profits. So now you can see over 3 days, we have already made $1.7 million. So if you add all the numbers up, $100 million that belongs to Titan, and the new deposit this week, $12.7 million, and the profit that we made this week, $1.7 million, then that becomes the balance, this number here you see. Okay, well, I hope my presentation and the demonstration on the trading platform will make you understand a little more about what we do, and what we can do. Okay, and lots of members, after they understand how profitable our trading teams and the trading robot can do, they're all willing to join us to cooperate with Titan. So here is the end of my presentation and demonstration. My name is Vincent, and thank you.
Good evening, Mr. Vincent.
Good evening.
Yeah, this is Madeleke.
Hi.
Yeah, I have a question to ask. As regards the new subscription.
Yes.
I want to ask the 0.15%. Is it going to be dropping in the reward wallet every day?
Oh, it's not 15%. Is
Is it not 0.15, 0.15?
Yes. Yeah. Yes, exactly. Yes, you're right.
Okay. So it drops in the reward wallet every day.
Yes.
Okay. So that is one. Then two, the plan, the slide you use now, has it been updated? Do we have the $300 package on it now? Not just the 30 and the 100 subscription fee. Do we have the 300 subscription fee on it now?
Yes, I believe so. Okay. Our launch, okay, the launch of the new package well, today is first, right? In your time, it will be first. Our time will be second, October 2nd for us. Yes. So after midnight today, okay, after midnight today, then yes, it starts.
Is it after midnight in Australia or after midnight in my own Nigerian time there?
After midnight in Australia, So yeah, okay.
Okay. So what I actually asked has not been answered. The presentation PDF or slide you used to present now, do we have the $300 subscription fee on the slide? The one you just used to present now.
As I said, after midnight, so tomorrow, all right? The new slide will only start tomorrow. And
okay.
Right,
I just wanted to ask if we could get it, but no problem.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Right, no problem. And I remember yesterday,
the new slide, the 300 package is there.
Sorry, can you say it again?
I was talking to Adeleke. I'm saying the new slide. Check very well. You see the 300 package, part of the slides.
Okay, can I get the slide from you, Coach?
Yeah, sure.
Okay, please drop it on my WhatsApp. Yeah, thank you.
All
right. Yeah, the new slides will start tomorrow at tomorrow's presentation. Okay, tomorrow's presentation, you will be seeing the new slides. And as yesterday, somebody was asking that if you were $100, I think it was Mr. Eric and Mr. Adeleke, right? I think you had a question yesterday, and I have the answer for you, okay? Mr.
If you're
Azalaki?
it was
Yes.
Mr. Jide.
Yeah. Oh, Mr. Jetty. Sorry, Mr. Jetty
Yeah.
and Mr. Eric. So are they here today?
Yeah, I'm here. He's my downline. You can just tell me. I will share with him. I don't know if he's on
Okay.
the Zoom call.
Okay. Well, the answer is, okay. I would like to ask you, because as I am the consultant and I am not allowed to have the account. Okay, I am not allowed to have the account. Do you think you can, Mr. Alalagi, do you think you can anyone in your team who can make the first try? Who can make the first try? Okay?
Who can make
Who can make the
what
first try as the you know, when you upgraded yourself from $100 subscriber to $300 subscriber, and if you also, if anyone in your team also would upgrade, would also deposit extra $750 into the trading wallet, and then actually try to follow the trade. As you already have a current trade right now, but you know, after you deposit $750, you can just follow the same trade and try if it really works. And I think I got the answer is yes, it should work. It should work. So, but I'm just trying to be careful. I also want to know if anyone from your side actually tried it. And I also want to know if it really works. That's what I want to know. Okay.
Okay, we'll try it from our end. Whatever it is we got, we'll let you know.
Okay. All right.
Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you.
But with regards to that, I think we lodge a complaint on that on the IT or the customer care platform, and we're told that when everything is set, when the upgrade is ready, they will inform us on the platform so that everybody can go ahead and then do the upgrade. But for now, if any member wants to try, fine. If it goes through, fine. But we are waiting for the official updates on the platform so that we can also share to our team members and the groups that we have.
Yes. Okay. Yes. Mr. Coach is right. Mr. Coach is right. He has a point that wait for the IT departments to answer you. Okay. But if you want to try now, yeah, you're welcome to try. And let me know though. I want to know what's the result. Okay, Mr. Mr. Luther, sorry. Or if it's not Mr. Luther, man, okay, go ahead. I see someone raise the hand. Mr. Valentine.
Yes, good evening, Mr.
Good evening.
Vincent.
Good evening.
My name is Valentine Atanga from Cameroon. It's my very first time joining. I am so pleased. I've watched the presentation. It's quite lovely.
Thank you.
Yes, what I want to, where I was a bit disturbed is withdrawal. You know, that is where the bone of contention in any of this system is. I heard the presenter said withdrawal is affected after 3 days. Why? Why don't you make something very smart? Because we are in a smart world and most of the systems is supposed to be close to automatic. And when I see you must have studied, you must have examined how other systems are working, and now you are bringing in a very good idea, but I am not very comfortable with the withdrawal issue. That is the first point.
Okay.
Secondly, I am still to study the system. I am still very new. It's my first time. I was introduced by my upline and I've registered. So I am going to study and we work well from Cameroon and see how we progress.
Okay. So sorry, your first question, I don't get it quite well. You said you have some problem with the withdrawing. So what's the problem again?
Yes, I heard in the presentation that was just made that withdrawal is effective after 3 days.
Oh, yes.
Oh, or I didn't get it well that you withdraw today. Today is say Saturday, and you get your money on
Yes.
Monday.
Okay, I see what you mean. All right.
Yeah,
Well,
that's what I mean.
first of all, I would like to let you know that yes, there are some standard process of the withdrawing, and as I know, for example, earlier before the presentation just today, I was using my phone. Okay, I was using my phone. And why? Because I was withdrawing because I also have some other investment in different career, different field. And one of it was also currency market. Okay, the cryptocurrency actually, the cryptocurrency. So when I was making the withdrawal earlier before the presentation, well, it also tell me to wait for 3 days. Okay, that's number one. And another one is the international wiring. Okay, international wire transferring is yes, that sometimes even takes 5 days. So there are some, standards, just like insurance. I don't know if you had experience of applying for the insurance or not. Like for me, in my country, like say I have insurance and one day I have an injury and I'm going to apply for the insurance. Okay, so the money actually come to me 1 week later. Okay, so that means I have to pay the money. If I am already in the hospital, I have to pay it first. I have to pay it first. And then 1 week later, I get the money. And for some cases, it's like that. Some cases are, yes, just like you said, some cases are smarter. Like what kind of cases? I know if like in my insurance cases, if I have a major sickness like cancer, then I don't have to pay it first because automatically the money will be transferred to the hospital. I don't have to pay it, but only for the major sickness, then I will be treated this way. But if it's not like a big deal, then sorry, I still have to pay it first. I will get the money 1 week later. So I'm sure in different systems, they have their own rules. Sometimes it's 1 day, some were faster, some were slower, but eventually, yeah. Thank you for your suggestion, and I believe in time we will improve. We will improve, and we are also looking for the improvements in this part. Okay. Thank you for your understanding. I really hope that you can, understand our position. That yes, we are looking for improvement, but right now, well, I'm pretty sure that 3 days is the best solution for now, as there are just a long process. It's a long process for the office workers to, to process it. Okay, thank you, Mr. Valentine. Do we have any other questions? Hi, Mr. Khan. Yes, go ahead. Yeah, you raise your hand. Mr. Khan, right? Am I pronouncing it right? Go ahead.
Yes, please. Thank you very much. Today I joined late, pardon me for that. And the network here is not stable. I've just seen that the update has taken effect. So as from today, or as to when will we start same day trading? Like you subscribe and you can trade and then it will pick that same day. Not like before, currently if you subscribe, it will pick on Monday, even if you subscribe, let me say, if you subscribe in the week, even if you subscribe on Monday, then you have to wait until the following Monday before it peaks. Now, when is it going to start? Same day subscription.
Sorry, as your voice, I think your signal is not so well. Sometimes I
Yeah.
hear.
So what I'm saying, what I'm asking is that, I hope you can hear me.
Yeah, now I think it's okay.
Yeah. Currently what we are using is that if, assuming you subscribe on Thursday, and you pick a trade, let's say the boat trading, the boat
Yes.
will be initiated on the following Monday.
Yes.
But with the current update coming, we're told that it will be same day, and then it will give you the returns for the remaining days of the week. When is this starting? Same day activation, and then same day trading, which will give you profit for the remaining days of the week.
Okay, I think you're asking for the new updates that you can start
Yes.
at any time, any day, right? Well, the launch of that
Yeah.
is also after midnight today,
Pardon?
I said is also after midnight today.
After midnight today. That means that after midnight in Australia today.
Yeah, well, actually, you know what? That'll be Australian time. After
Australian time,
midnight
that will be
Australian time.
Australian Monday, right?
Yeah, so started from Monday.
Australian Monday.
You can, yes,
Okay.
you can understand it that way. Australian Monday.
Okay, thank you very much.
No problem.
Yeah.
Okay, cool. I think that's all the questions today. But just in case anyone got questions, further questions, it's all you can ask. It's free. But Mr. Valentine, are you still there? I wasn't sure that if you could understand what I said earlier because I didn't hear answers from you.
It's okay. I got you 5 on 5. I understood the explanation.
Thank you.
It's okay.
All right, good.
Yes.
Okay,
Where I would have asked again a question is on the copy trading.
Yeah.
Yeah. So I wanted to know, out of the copy trading, is it possible for us to add extra trading on it?
To extra what?
Say I have gotten the copy trading from the company. Is it possible to add extra trades?
To extra trade.
Yes.
Extra trade.
Extra, apart from the trade offered by the company to be copied and trade with. Can I do personally? Can I get to my own trading?
No. We don't do that though. Because that our original goal is that we understand that most people, when they do the trading their own, well, 9 out of 10 are not really making money. So we rather to go this way, just pure following our trades. So here, no one needs to trade it themselves. And this way, we can ensure that 80% of people who wanted to try, but eventually they will lose, right? We can ensure that though everyone here in Titan, they will not lose money. And
that's
this
right.
is the easiest way and also the most effective way to reach their own financial freedom without losing any dollar.
Okay.
Okay,
That is interesting.
That's what we aim to. All right, we were aiming to the goal, to this goal.
Yeah, to make it possible for everybody to realize his goal, because there are people who are so ambitious and so on this common. gourmand, people who needs extra, they want to go as fast as possible, and that way they always lose. So if the system has restriction for extra trades, it will be very, very good that we work according to the
Well,
policy of the system.
I think it's possible in the future. Do you know why? Because our goal, one of our goal is to teach, our Titan Academy to teach the financial knowledge and also with the trading knowledge. So until then, when everybody really mastered, at least the most people mastered the courses, okay, then and also when we have enough people, when we open the access to for Firefox, when everyone is making at least the better money, much better than this right now, right? And that will also be a good time for the company to open the access for the individual tradings, But now,
Okay.
our step, as we started with 30, 100, and now 300, right? The new one is 300. Maybe in the future, we will have met more. As that our first group of the leaders who trusted us at the very beginning of the time, right, of our global partner program, right? When you all make money, then we will have the raise on the higher subscription fees, right? Because you guys have to make money first. When you have money,
That's true.
you will say, hey, I want a raise for the trading limits, right? Because now you have more money to invest. Then you will directly to ask the company. I will hear a lot of complaints again. Then I will tell the company, then the company will say, yeah, it is, because from the big data, everyone is making money. At least most people are making money. Yeah, that'll be a good time to raise for higher amount, and also to raise more options. Okay, so now we're just focusing on helping the people who are in need. Okay, so until we reach our goal, or at least we have to reach a certain parts of our goal, then we will do more in the future.
Okay, thank you very much.
Thank
I
you.
think as time goes on, we have to, in other Zooms, we'll also have to have studied the system and come out with more questions.
All right, thank you for understanding. Okay, well, I think no more questions, right? I just want to make sure. If not, then it will be the end of our Zoom meeting today. Okay, and I'm really looking forward for the new launch tomorrow, because well, sorry, tomorrow is still Sunday for you, but the new launch on Monday. Okay, the new launch on Monday. So that is, a new chapter for Titan and our members. That would be the whole new chapter. Okay. All right, thank you once again for joining our Zoom meeting. My name is Vincent. I'm the head trainer of Titan Academy. I will be seeing you again tomorrow. Okay, cheers. Bye-bye.